All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to quickly show you how to do a seafoam treatment on your car. And on this case, I'll show you on two cars. I'll show you on this 2011 Hyundai Elantra, but this will be the same way for any Elantra or Hyundai, Kia with the 1.8 to the 2.4 engine. Actually, almost all engines. But on this case, I'll show you how to remove what you need to remove. Vary on this one. You don't have to use the fancy little thing on it because you're able to remove the entire top assembly. So you have two little clippers there. And I already went ahead to unloose the little bolt here, the square bolt. So all I'm going to do is wiggle it out. You don't have to remove this top hose. And to make it easy, I removed the engine cover so you could see everything. So all you do is put this at a side like this, and you're okay. And that's your throttle body right here. That's where you're going to spray the Seafoam in it. Now, it's better if you to do it because you want to maintain your RPM around 2,000 RPM. So I'm going to grab the camera. I'm going to have my helper go inside the car. And it's okay to start the car like this. You may have a check engine, maybe not. If you do, it will remove it. So I'm just gonna try this like this. Let's start the car. Perfect. So I'm gonna start spraying. I'm not gonna be using this little thing. I'm just gonna spray directly in it. And I'm wearing gloves just to protect. And I'm gonna start spraying. There we go. So 2,000 RPM, and all you do spray 1, 2, 3, let it go. 1, 2, 3, let it go. So when you're towards the end, you're gonna ask your driver to let go the gas, and you're gonna spray and tell him to turn the car off. Turn the car off. All right. And now that's done, you could reassemble everything. And you have to let it heat soak for a good 10-15 minutes, close the hood and everything, and you'll restart it. And when you do, you'll see some white smoke, but you may not see it all the time at idle, but when you're going to go for a drive and you're going to floor it, a lot of white smoke will come out. So this is how you do your Seafoam treatment, clean your intake and your valves on a basically any engine. I'll show another one on another vehicle, another truck. Bye. All right, so for the next example here, I have a V6 3.7 Mopar, a Dodge Chrysler product. It's on a lot of Jeeps and trucks in the family of trucks of Ram and Dodge. So here it's the same thing. You have clips on the side where the air filter box is. You unclip it, just slightly like this, shake, shake, shake. We'll go on the other side. There's a little clip on this one. I don't know if it's speed, mass, air, or whatever, but all you have to do is press and it's unhooked. And this system, it's cool. There's no tools. There's like two grommet, so all you have to do is slightly tug it out. There we go. And just like that, the assembly is gone and the throttle body is there. So the same, I'm going to ask my helper to go inside the vehicle, start it up, and we'll do the same process on and off, 2000 RPM. And that's how you clean the inside of your intake and the valves to remove all that carbon, and hopefully that will help your idle and your fuel consumption. You may get a check engine, it's not a big deal. It's gonna go after you assemble everything. Check out. And that's it. Now you empty the entire can, assemble everything up, let it heat soak for 10-15 minutes, and go for a drive. And again, if you see white smoke, it's a good sign. I mean, the product did his job and everything's clean. So I hope that was helpful. Take care, and thank you for watching the video.